Bit of a different job today. Well, yeah, different job. Not the source there. Ignore that. Change the radio. Basically, their speaker down there is in there because I thought it was broke. It's not the speaker, it's the amp in the radio. Too fat to get in there, so I'm thinking split pin in there, push, shut it, should come out beautifully. Don't worry how did it needed to be, but stick it in. So what? May as well get this on. I can't remember where to put the change plan. It's not the radio, it's the wires. Try again another day. It's too cold and I